guys.
Hey guys.
Yo, what's up?
Hi guys, welcome back.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Javon. Welcome back to the channel.
So welcome back to Cheryl's channel. I'm Sharissa.
I am Haldane Spencer.
My name is Kimberly Lord.
And thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what we do at our summer internship. Currently, we work at the Nelson's Dockyard National Park. So I'm going to be showing you a few clips of what each intern does, and I'll even ask them to give just a little overview of the work that they do as well. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like videos like this, please subscribe down below. Please hit the bell button so you will never miss when I post a new video. And with that, let's get started.
Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Haldane Spencer here, and we're coming live from in the Nelson's Dockyard National Park. Hey guys, check out these plants, man. And they're beautiful, just can't get enough of that. So yeah, I am a part of the ecosystems evaluation and monitoring team. I deal with terrestrial ecosystems, so looking at the plants and the animals, how they interact with each other, and also checking out if they're being compromised, if there are any threats. Right off the bat, I can tell you we're having threats on the animal side. We've seen iguanas that are competing with our native species of lizards and other insects. And also on the plant side now, we are seeing things like invasive seagrass species. That would be more marine, but let me come back to the terrestrial. We're seeing snake grass, and so these things are competing our native species, and we don't like that, so we're taking care of that.
Hey guys, I'm Sharissa. I am an ecosystem valuation intern here at the Nelson's Dockyard National Park. I'm working with the Environmental Awareness Group in Antigua and also with the Department of Environment. We'll be doing ecosystem valuation, putting a value on our ecosystems, like our mangroves or other ecosystems that's on my head right now. Yes, so enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Kimberly Lord, and I am a GIS intern at the Nelson Dockyard National Park. Basically, my job here is to help improve data management of any GIS related files within the environmental unit.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Javon. Welcome back to the channel. I'm an eval intern, and this is our summer.
A little bit of what we do here. We do different field visits, site visits, just to ensure that developers are following the rules and regulations of the park. One of the things that we've noticed so far in the parks is that we have invasive species that are threatening our native species, the green iguana. This is a large species of lizard, and it makes itself comfortable in trees surrounding marine environments, so mangrove trees. And these lizards are out-competing our birds for environment and also out-competing our native species of lizards. And so that is a threat that we are going to take care of. Another initiative that we're involved with is water quality testing. So, of course, we're in a wide boundary, and we have a lot of businesses, a lot of homeowners who live near the seafront, and we have a job of making sure that these people are not contaminating the waters. There are a lot of rich marine life in these nearshore environments, and also these beaches are places where Antiguans, locals, tourists go to bathe, and we need to make sure that the water is clean and safe for everyone. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have fun.